In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can refund games on Steam. First, open your Steam and then log into your Steam account. Next, click the Help button above and then select Steam Support. In here, select the purchases and then select View Complete Purchasing History. Now in here, pick the game you want to return. Next, select I would like to refund. After that, click that I like to request a refund. And then choose your refund method and enter the reason for the refund. Then click the Submit Request when you're done. Now simply wait for the approval from Steam and the payment. They will respond on the email that are connected with your Steam account, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.